Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications.
Good morning, guys. So it's a lovely Sunday morning, and I just woke up. And the lockdown, I think I don't even remember what exactly the date is of lockdown, but I think it's been, about a month since I have kind of left the house, and now they're saying that the lockdown will be extended. Just, I mean, it's for our own good, of course. I'm totally fine with it. But on the other hand, I'm kind of craving normal life. So, yeah, so one of the things that I'm missing the most right now is street food. Delhi has like the best street food, and I'm totally missing like golgappas and momos and all these things. So what I've planned today is that I'm gonna try and make momos at home and fulfill these cravings that I'm having. So it should be exciting.
So guys, I have all my ingredients ready for the first step, which is basically kneading the dough. Alright, so let's start making our momos. So I've taken 1 cup flour, maida basically, some oil, salt, pepper, and of course water. Okay, so we're gonna knead the dough now. So let us on maida, pinch of salt, now we'll add a little bit of oil and massage the dough with it. Okay, so first of all, let us chop the cabbage. Just a little bit for, little flavor, not too much though. So our ingredients are ready for the filling: salt, pepper, ginger and garlic, spring onion, chili. And for the veggies, I'm going for cabbage, capsicum, broccoli and mushroom. And of course we need some oil. So let's get started. Now we'll add some chili. So we'll not put all of the spring onion right now, just some of it. Some of it we are going to use later. Cabbage. And last but not the least, spring onion. Now we'll add some salt and pepper. That's it. So it is ready. You can see. Now I'm gonna add the filling. And of course, the unique way that momos are, prepared. I'm gonna try it. Ready. So our momos are ready. So this is my DYI steamer, right? That is our, and we will steam the momos for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright. So in a bowl, take a few chilies, add a bit of water, add tomatoes, just enough to dip them. That's it. Now we will microwave this for 5 minutes on high power. Now we will put this mix in this and blend it so that we have a paste with which we can make the chutney. Okay. For the chutney, we need ginger garlic, onion, spring onion included, salt, ketchup, vinegar, and of course the mix that we prepared, and some oil, of course. So let's get to it. So we'll add our ginger garlic. Now we'll add some salt and of course our chutney. Now we'll add a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of ketchup. We're gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And my momos and momo chutney are ready. Can't wait to eat this. I'm trying this. It is divine. Like, it's so yummy. So good. The chutney is so good. Like, my mouth is watering. It's so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll also try street food and momos in particular, because I'm a big momo fan. Like, I love my momos. So because of the lockdown I was not able to have these, so I was really craving some momos, and then I finally decided to make my own. So yeah, you can always do that. Someone said it really aptly, that we all are going to come out with a new skill at the end of this lockdown, and one of my new skills is cooking, and particularly making momos. So this is delicious. Not bad, like, given that this is, like, I've done this for the first time ever. Like, I've never made momos at home before, so this is not bad for a first time, right? And it's really delicious. So good one. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and please, on your way out, subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on life and books and writing and everything. So give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Love you. Bye.